What's up, guys? I want to watch another video. Before we get into today's video, I want to let you guys know that today is the new merch drop. The new merch is on the website right now, shop.findingnick.com. We got new hoodies, new t-shirts, new stickers, new license plate frames, and even 5 limited edition skateboard decks that are all signed by me and all numbered 1 through 5. So go right now, shop.findingnick.com. Go ASAP because it is gonna sell out. I promise. Everyone always tells me, oh, there's no more mediums, there's no more larges, or there's no more stickers. But right now is your time to go. So go right now, shop.findingnick.com. Grab everything before they sell out. Again, none of this stuff I'm redropping. Every single merch shop is very limited. Once it comes out, it drops. It never comes back again. So especially the skateboard decks, bro. There's only 5. So only 5 lucky people are gonna get them. And I'm excited who gets them, to be honest. Oh, and also, this merch drop, I'm gonna do it again. Just how we did in the previous drops, I hand delivered like a handful of merch. So I'm probably gonna pick like maybe 5 to 10 packages that are pretty local to LA and my area. And I'm gonna hand deliver some merch to you guys. So who knows? I might even be knocking at your door with some merch, guys. I did it before in the past. I'll put some clips right here. No way. I got packages for you. I thought I was lying. Hey, you're Nick, bro. It's you. That's my brother. Let me go get him. What's up? Did you order merch? Yes, sir. And yeah, they were super shocked. They were surprised. They were tripping out. Imagine me knocking at your door, delivering your merch by hand. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. I'll be in the F80 or maybe the GTR, hopefully. But you might be lucky to see me hand delivering the merch, or you might get lucky and get the 5 skateboard decks that are on the website. So go right now, cop all the merch. Literally my favorite drop that we've done so far. I'm so hyped how these came out. You literally can see the detail on the lip, on the freaking grills, like everything. You see all the carbon fiber, you can see my wheel stickers. Like, bro, these are such good quality. Put it on your wall as a decoration, or you could even skate them, to be honest, if you really, really wanted to. But also we got the new hoodies, guys. I haven't dropped hoodies in forever, but this is the new hoodie. We got the FN Racing in the front, my birth year in the back.
The best part?
Faster.
Turn around.
Probably my favorite design that we've done so far. Everyone loves it. It literally sold out like crazy the last drop. We did t-shirts before. Now we're dropping a hoodie design. Now is your chance to go grab a hoodie. The new hoodies are out. Go faster. They're super comfortable. Like I said, I try to make all the quality the best. You can tell mine's a little dirty, to be honest, because I've been wearing it every single day, bro. I love this hoodie. It's my new favorite hoodie, but new hoodies. And then we also got, hold on, the F80 t-shirt. So as you guys can see, we got the new F80 design. I have never dropped an F80 style merch. These are sick. It says live fast. It got the F80. And again, all the details in the car. It's super sick. We got the live fast in the front. Low-key my favorite t-shirt. I've been wearing this every day too, not gonna lie. But yeah, 2 more things. We got stickers. I haven't done stickers in a long time. So again, the F80 design with the carbon fiber everywhere. Super good quality sticker you can put on your car, your cell phone case, whatever. And then my favorite freaking thing of the drop, new license plate frames. The last time I dropped license plate frames was probably like 4 years ago. We did the little FN Beamer Club ones. Those sold out like crazy, and it's cool to see them still on the road like 4 years later. But these are the new ones, and they're super good quality. As you can see, like, look at this. It's all 3D. It's not a sticker. It's not nothing. It's literally a made freaking license plate frame. It's freaking sick. So new plate frames, new stickers, new t-shirts, new hoodies, and 5 skateboard decks. Go grab them right now. Shop.findingnick.com. Let's sign the skateboards real quick. Hey guys, I'm so scared to sign this. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to mess it up. There you go. It's number 1, guys.
Perfect.
I'm so scared, bro. Go. Number 2. Alright guys, there you go. Those are only 5, as you guys can see. The only ones on the website. So we'll see. Whoever orders the first one's gonna get number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is gonna be a really cool addition to like the merch drops. Maybe next one I'll do one of the GTR. Like, it would be cool to see someone skate this thing. But you don't have to. This is more of an art piece. I can't wait. I'm gonna see if I can make one more for myself, because I'm kind of sad I had to give them all away. But I want to make one for myself to put in my room too. So it's a sick freaking piece. Shop.findingnick.com. Go cop the merch. Again, I thank you guys in advance. I appreciate it so much. You guys don't understand. All the merch shops help me out so much. Help me support my lifestyle, the cars, the mods, all that stuff, dude. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. I appreciate the love on the videos, on the Instagram, and the merch, everything. I even say thank you to the people who just like my picture, bro. That shit goes a long way too. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. It will sell out. So go right now, guys. Can't wait to see everyone cop the merch and rock it in person. I love seeing people rock it at car meets and stuff like that. It's so sick. We are here at Daniel's house once again. We got Daniel's G80 right here. Daytona Violet G80. Freaking sick. We got all the homies here. And we got the F80 in the garage again, bro. What's up, G?
What's up?
We're going to Florida?
Nah.
Yeah, you are, bro. I think we're all going to go to Florida, guys, for a Beamer Invasion. Florida. Are we going?
Yeah, I'm going.
We're all going to go, guys. Daniel's actually taking his G80. I originally wanted to take my car, but the trailer plans kind of fell through. We were gonna put all our cars on a trailer, but a lot of people lag, so I don't think I'm gonna take my car. Probably rent something out there.
Get a Lambo out there.
But we're here back at Daniel's house because we're gonna do an oil change, guys. Long overdue oil change. To be honest, I don't remember the last time I've done it. I really don't even know how many miles it's been.
I don't know, but we're gonna start keeping track of it for sure. We'll take
Because I was keeping track, but my battery got reset, so the miles got reset, like where I keep track of it. So yeah, we're gonna do an oil change. The last time I did it, I think it was before SEMA, bro, in Vegas. So it's been a long time, dude.
Now. As did you tell everybody we're gonna go with liquid moly?
Oh yeah, we're doing liquid moly.
We're gonna with a little thicker viscosity since you do have aggressive tune. So we want to make sure that the engine stays nice and healthy.
Yeah.
So
and I beat my car up.
So that's why we're gonna go with thicker oil. We're gonna keep it nice and fresh. After that, it should be good for another 3,000 miles.
Sick.
BMW recommends for you to drain the car for an hour.
Damn.
To just maximize the amount of like liquid that that you're able to extract from the engine. In the meantime, I get to kind of inspect a few components, like suspension, end links,
Sick.
and just a quick overview of the car. I don't know if you want to lower the car too. That might be
It's up to you.
So
I told Daniel I also want to lower it just a couple more centimeters. Right now it's lifted, but I want to drop it just a little bit, guys. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Shout out to Daniel.
It should be no more than an hour. And then by the time we're done, we'll definitely run a lot better and look so much cleaner.
Yeah. Sick.
We're gonna put an OEM one in there. We're gonna also clean this up and we'll try to make sure that most of it is out of there. You guys can smell it.
It smells burnt?
Yeah.
Well, I've been beating my car too much, I think. All this liquid moly. This is the oil that we're gonna be using, guys.
That's one of the best out there. Like I personally run OEM. But if I don't run OEM, I recommend liquid moly. Again, just trying to maximize like all the amount of oil that we can get out of the engine.
That's crazy.
So
I don't think I've ever been to this extent.
I try to go this far just because, again, like we drive them pretty hard, so we want to just make sure that everything's fresh.
He recommends draining for an hour long to get every drip of oil out.
We have to.
I told you guys he takes care of your car like it's his. Because I wouldn't even do this, bro, to my own car.
I know, I know. Some people come in and they expect me to kind of just drain it, and it's like, oh, is that it? I'm like, no, you gotta wait.
Daniel likes doing everything right, guys. I'm more of the half-assed job kind of guy. Just hurry up, but not with Daniel, guys. He takes his time. All right, guys, this is the next day. We were back here at Daniel's. We didn't finish up yesterday because it just got too late and it was a lot of work. These coilovers are actually harder to lower than any other coilovers for some reason, huh?
Yeah,
it's a little bit of a pain in the ass. I gotta pull out the whole coilover, which sucks because it's way more work. It's over there, actually. But we're trying to do it. Daniel even banged up his finger, bro.
I know. Dude, my little
oh my god, it's all my fault. And we're also putting the wing on. Yeah. So finally, all the people who've been wanting me to put the wing on, today's the day, guys. We're putting the wing on. It's gonna change the whole look in the end, rear end. It's gonna look sick. I feel like it does match better with the diffuser too. We are just trying to lower the front end a little bit. So you guys will see, we already did that side. This side is done, the passenger side. But the right side was just giving us trouble for some reason. Don't know why, but we're just trying to lower it just a little bit, literally a couple centimeters. It sucks that it's this much work just to lower it a couple centimeters. There you go, guys, look, it's on. I didn't film it, but pretty much just 3M tape puts it on perfectly. Daniel got it perfect, and it looks sick. Damn. It looks so different, to be honest. A little wing too, and changes a huge difference. And the new plate frames. Jeez. You guys better go cop a plate frame. They're gonna be sold out. I don't know if you guys have seen this. Look at this dent, bro. You guys can see it? There's a dent in my trunk. Right there. Where did it even come from, bro? How did I even get a dent like that? I still gotta fix this stupid thing too. From someone rear-ending me, guys. Look at the whole corner. Car's dirty again. This car's always dirty. Can you guys tell? But look at the corner. It's still messed up. I still gotta fix the whole rear bumper and this little hole. Someone's plate frame. My car's catfish, guys. Only looks good in video and pictures. The car's coming together, guys. Literally, I don't know what else to do to it. This is why I was actually debating on, like, I know I barely got the car, but selling the F80 and getting the G80 maybe, because I don't know what else to do to the car. I mean, I can obviously put turbos on it or do like an intake, like engine mods. But the reason I haven't yet, first off, because of the cops in Cali. I want the front mount intakes and stuff like that, but bro, you literally get state arrest for front mount intakes. Can you believe that? It's so stupid. And I've gotten my hood popped plenty of times on the GTR. Not in this car yet. But if they do, look, it looks completely stock. Not even a freaking intake or nothing. That's one reason why I haven't touched the engine bay. Second, because it's still gonna be slow. Like, you can put bigger turbos, you can do all this other stuff, but bro, you pull up in a G80 and downpipe tune is already smoking my GTR, bro. It's insane. So if I get a G80, I'm definitely gonna do engine mods. But on this car, probably not. I don't know. I don't know what else to do to it, guys. Wrap it, maybe. Maybe put a roll cage. Those are the only two things that I really want to do. Other than that, that F80 is pretty much complete, guys. We got the headlights, the tail lights, the carbon fiber everywhere. It's perfect, bro. It's literally like exactly how I wanted my F80 to look. To be honest, it's not that easy to upgrade to a G80. Like, you would think it is, but I love this car so much. It's not that easy just to swap this to a G80. I love both. If not, this one a little bit more. We'll see, guys. Probably wrap it next, to be honest. I just gotta pick a color, bro. I'm so indecisive. Look at his F80. He put white tees on it last night, and it looks sick. Literally like my twin, bro. We got the same lip, but he got the real CS lip. Bro, the wheels look sick. I actually like the white on white. I think it's such a sick colorway. And yeah, see? M3 CS, guys. I got the CS wing, CS lip, CS hood. I'm practically turning mine into a CS, bro. I don't think I've ever seen a CS's interior. Look, it has no center console like Kevin's. And it's a CS right here with Alcantara. The seats are freaking sick, bro. That shit way better than mine. Oh, that's hard. The carbon intakes. See, I could do all this, but bro, cops will literally stay arrested for that. Can you believe that? And all these hardware is just fire too. I've been needing to do this to mine as a little touch. And see, this is the real CS carbon fiber hood. It's actual carbon, guys. You can see it on there. It's so clean. Look, guys, we never get to see Daniel's car in the daytime. I always show you guys at night, but look at the color in the daytime. It's not even in the sunlight, but you guys could already see the purple way better. It is so beautiful, bro. We should do a whole video on this, huh? Like a whole like walk around video. Got the HREs. My boy got like $15,000 wheels. I don't even know how many. Interior. Oh my god, that's my dream interior, guys. The red bucket seats. So fire. Carbon ceramics. Did everything you possibly could. The laser lights. So nice, bro. Alright, guys, it's done. Look at that. So much better, bro. Looks crazy. Our cars look sick together. But yeah, it's way lower, to be honest, than it used to be. It makes it look perfect now. Just a couple centimeters. Alright, and we got the wing, guys. It does look good, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why it took so long putting the wing on. But like I said, I like both, but definitely looks way better, to be honest, right now. We've been adding so much stuff to the F80, by the way, but every time we install something, I fall in love with the car even more. Like, that wing is sick, dude. It's probably like the best looking lip, the CS style one. And guys, huge shout out to West Coast Heroes. They hooked me up with the wings. Same people who got me the headlights. They sell so much carbon fiber stuff. Every part that you need for your BMW or your Euro. And of course, like always, shout out to Daniel too. You see Daniel's G80 over there. We're always at Daniel's house in his garage working on my car. He took really good care of my car. He's done so much, bro. I can't even count it on one hand. Go follow him on Instagram, go follow him on YouTube, and go look at his build. His builds are sick. He has a G80 M3 and an M4, guys. Look what we found, guys. We found another touchless car wash. Shout out to Anthro because he told me about it. Oh my god, I'm supposed to call Anthro back. He told me to call him. Damn, this shit brand new. Look at how excited. My car's so dirty. I love saving money. What do I do? I'm picking the most expensive one. You need to get out and film?
Hey, where? You're gonna get wet.
Yeah, I don't think I could.
Pull up your window.
Oh shit.
Oh my.
Oh my god, bro. Holy shit. I was supposed to clean my wheels. Oh my. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. Oh. Oh my god. Back up. What the f? I was gonna get out?
Oh my.
Oh, that scared the hell out of me, guys. Okay, well, I guess I can't. I should have had you stand out there, but.
No, imagine you were like getting out and then blasted you.
Dude. That's your I think you're supposed to spray your wheels and I passed the whole thing. I went right past it. Dude, relax.
Oh,
that shit was actually scary, huh? Oh my god, dude.
I've never seen you scared before.
I look scared?
Yes, I cannot wait to watch that back.
I thought I hit something. I don't know. That shit was hella scary. Anyways, we're in here, guys. I thought it would be cool to vlog. And I thought I'd be able to get out and record it getting washed. But yeah, that's not possible. That shit started as soon as you drove in. Oh, I'll show you guys the aftermath. See if the car looks clean or not.
So quiet
Let's see.
and soft.
Yeah, see, it's touchless, guys. Completely touchless. I don't even know what it came with. It came with a big ass dent on the side of the freaking door here. Oh my! Guys, it's brand new. It's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to come here every day. Who needs the location? Who needs the Addy? Whoa! It is sick. Guys, if this works, $14, you can't beat it. Please exit slowly while dryers are in use.
Right here, I think, right?
Yeah. See if it worked, guys. Hey, not bad. There's a lot of water, but I mean, I didn't know. Look, the air dryers are still working. I think you have like 70 seconds for it to dry, but I didn't see the countdown till after. Anyways, pretty good. If I stayed in there longer for it to dry, look, even the wheels are clean. What the? That shit actually did a really good job. Damn, that's fire. $14, you can't beat this. You don't even get out of your car. I'm not gonna lie, I might go back in to get an Instagram reel, guys. I need Instagram content. And I like the wing too. Bro, it's so clean now. That's fire. Oh, I love this car so much. It would be very hard to trade this for a G80. I know it will. I'll be very sad selling it. Or we keep both somehow, some way. That's gonna end the video right there. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Don't forget that today was the merch drop, guys, so go right now. Hopefully everything's still on the website. If you haven't copped anything yet, go cop it right now. I promise it's gonna sell out. Don't sleep on the skateboards, don't sleep on nothing. I only made like 100 plate frames, so whoever wants them, this is your chance, guys. The plate frames are fire. Look at it, they're on 3D. They're super good. Look, it's like part of the plate, like the whole tee and everything. All custom, literally the best freaking quality ever. Appreciate everybody in advance. Thank you so much for copying the merch. It means a lot, I promise. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.